everyone. My name is Vinod from Money Smart, and I'm here to share with you how we're going to take Asian consumer finance online. Now, Money Smart is a suite of personal finance comparison sites that allow consumers like you to compare the best loan, credit card, or insurance product online. Now, we all know that the internet is going to be a winning distribution channel. We've seen HSBC X 10,000 employees last year. Citibank has just laid off a massive number of people as well. And that's because, people are expensive. Asian consumers are fully online, and financial institutions are starting to get on this wave and, beef up their online transaction sort of capability. So our aggregator model is actually the next natural step, when you look at what's happening in the industry today. Now, if you were shopping for a new loan or insurance policy, would you want to go through this? Pick up 10 different brochures from 10 different banks? Let me tell you, you can't even get product information on the website because the IT department is separate from the product department, and they don't even update their sites. So chances are you would have to make a phone call, right? Or would you rather get everything down at one site? This is an actual screenshot of our product, Smart Loans, which is the loan comparison site. And this is Smart Insurance, which compares car insurance right now. In 5 minutes, you can get quotes from 7 to 8 different insurers, and we're looking to add more in the pipeline soon. And if you were a CEO, if you were running a bank, do you want to build your branches? 80% of costs of running a bank is in the branch staff. So, we're really looking to streamline that and make that process more efficient. You want people to go online because it removes all the headache. So the benefits are very obvious, right? As a consumer, you save a whole lot of time. You don't have to spend 4 hours, 5 hours calling different people. You make better decisions because all that product information is aggregated onto one site. And as a bank, as a provider, you save money because you don't need to hire extra service staff or extra sales staff. You expand your reach and you improve your service and overall sell more. So this shift has already happened in the West. If you look at the UK and US markets, that transition's already happened. There are plenty of competitors out there who are, trying to get a slice of the comparison site market, right? And if you look at consumers are doing their homework online, right? 2/3 of UK's motor insurance is actually being sold online right now. And about half of that is through a comparison site. So Money Supermarket, I don't know how many of you are familiar with Money Supermarket. It's the leading comparison site in the UK, with a market cap of over £500 million. But there's nothing like it in Asia. So that's where we come in. So let me tell you a bit more about the company. Smart Loans was started in 2009 by myself. We bootstrapped the company with a little over $5,000. We were cash flow positive in month 4. Currently, we're attracting 28,000 unique visitors in Singapore, and we're generating about 25 to 30 grand in revenue. And we've recently launched Smart Insurance, which is our insurance comparison site, and Smart Credit, which compares credit cards. And eventually, we want to cover all these other products as well. So how big is the market? In Singapore alone, for just these 4 products, we cover a market of over 200 million in commission revenue. And we're seeing Singaporean banks starting to come online. About 60% of credit card providers in Singapore already accept online applications and have tracking capabilities online. So we're already starting to see that shift, and this has happened in probably the last 12 months. We've seen a great increase. So how do we add value? It's not just about getting information all onto one site. Having a simple static web page doesn't do the job. We have to add value to the consumer, and here's how we do it. Firstly, it's about education, right? If you are a first-time home buyer, you probably don't know how to compare a home loan, right? You need to know what SIBOR or SOR is, what's the difference between a fixed and a floating rate, and how do we get all that information across without having somebody come to your house and explain that to you. We do that through a step-by-step wizard. So if you have a laptop in front of you, go to smartloans.sg. In 3 minutes, you'll understand the basics of what you need to know about comparing a home loan, and we automatically filter and show you results based on lowest interest to highest. So you get the best product, sort of automatically filtered and sorted for you. We provide powerful tools, like I mentioned, the wizard, and comprehensive and well-structured information that make it easy for the consumer to compare. How do we make money? Very simple, commissions, right? So when we refer a client to a bank and the client actually takes up a loan, the bank pays us. Typically in Singapore, it's about 15 basis points. And we have a content site as well, which is open to advertising revenue, but the majority of our revenue will come from commissions. We acquire our customers through very cost-effective channels. So it's not just about having a fancy website, right? The barriers to entry are fairly low for that, but our secret sauce is in how we can attract consumers. Now, my core competency is in search engine optimization, Google AdWords, user experience, UI design, and basically creating a simple and usable product that people will want to use and want to spread. And that's how we've been getting the majority of our consumers. If you go to forums, anywhere that discusses home loans, chances are you'll find some mention of smart loans there. And as we sort of scale up, we want to explore more sort of paid channels like outdoor advertising and print, which we haven't done just yet. It's not working. Okay.
6 minutes.
All right.
Okay. So thank you.
Thank you
Very much.